Ka kanhun menteri ka Sorkar jela kala ajingmut halor ka por ban penkhreh no yak electoral roll na ka benta ka jingpelong yak election Shaka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council GHADC kabanlong hauni usnyam banwan. Habakren Shakilat Pathai Kubor hak arkundai tarik risaw hadien ka jingalang. Menteri Sorkar batnong ay katin ka Sorkar MDA uba wailat mikishla. Ulapan bena baka Sorkar kelas sedang yakakam. Watla kam patsyam lala ban raya kasngi ban pelong yak election. Uba wailat ula batai ru baka Sorkar kadon kam ban sedang no yak jingpynkhreh kum ka senjam. Ban pentikna yak jinglong balakhreh hak jingpen biang yak electoral roll shwa jong election. Ka kinhun menteri kala Mynjur ru yak por ban penkhreh yak electoral roll ka bakentop yak jingpen mi yak draft electoral roll ki jingkam ban jingpersha bat ban penbat khatdo yak electoral roll ula ong.
The election is like going to be happen next year. So today the cabinet, because as you know, no doubt we have not decided the date yet, but the government has to start a preparatory step. So that's why today we in the cabinet we passed the schedule for the preparation of roll for the conduct of the election in Garo Hills. So like I already said, that the government has to start the preparatory step, because we need to have the roll ready before the date of the election comes.
Hakabaya day but ka jingsno kya yak inong tap vote bar jala hak election GHADC u commissioner and secretary ba CVD ding do ula pensyai ba ki deputy commissioner kin board kat kum ka autonomous district rules ka badan yak kindon ki basai hakabaya day ba ka jingyot tap vote. Uba ding do ula banjur halor ka jingbot renti eki rule hakabaya day ba ka jingpenyat yak election.
So the DCs will follow the AD rules. The AD rules have a clear criteria. So the DCs will follow as per the rules. You have to go to the AD rules. We don't have the details right now. As per the AD rules, we can inform what the AD rules are. This process is handled by the DCs concerned. The same AD rules. The same AD rules. There's only one AD rules of 1951 for the entire state of Meghalaya, which govern the 3 district councils, Garo, Khasi and Jaintia. So the DCs take that decision. See, there are criteria, you have to be a permanent resident, etc. I don't have the rules in front of me right now, so it will be wrong for me to comment. But we can, definitely once the process starts, brief the press on what is the rule being followed. Everything will go as per rules. There's a period of filing of claims and objections. There's a process of the draft rule being published, then the final rule being published. And the process is there, where you can file your claims and objections. So those who are entitled to vote can do that as per the rules. The rules will be followed. See, these rules were framed in 1951, and if the district councils have any opinion in terms of changing the rules, they are free to, put forth through the process. There's a process involved, right? I don't think that has, last time in both the Khasi and Jaintia, there were any issues as far as the roll was concerned. Ultimately, people voted in large numbers, and there was no issue that was brought to our notice that people were missing in the rolls or whatever, for whatever reason. Because, like I said, there's a process involved. The draft rule is published. After the draft rule is published, there's a period of filing of claims and objections. After that period, the final rule is published. So this process is very important, and the AD rules are there for the guidance of the deputy commissioners, and those process will be followed.